Okay, so let's say that you want to email or survey people who have not bought your offer, okay? And this is a very simple example. I'm using my demo account here, so there's no real action going on here, just in case you're wondering. So I've set up these, just these demo things to show you what the idea is for the automation part of it. Now, let's pretend this is the offer sequence, however many emails you have. And then at the end of this, hopefully somebody has bought, but if they haven't bought, you want to send them a survey. Now, some people put the survey like right in here as the last email, right? But you want to filter out people who have already bought. It's no sense sending them the automation, or sorry, the survey. So what you do is you put the survey in its own sequence. So I'll just jump back here to where did I put that? Do I see it here? Sorry. There's the offer sequence, and then didn't buy. I think it was didn't. There it is. Didn't buy X program survey, right? And it's just one email. And again, there's nothing in here. It's just, nothing fancy here in the terms of the copy. But this is where I want them to go. Okay, let's pretend this is a survey, and it goes to an assessment or whatever, right? So that's where we want them to go. But we only want non-buyers here. So what we're going to do is go back into the offer sequence. Okay, and come on there, buddy. Let's edit that guy. And at the end of your sequence, or the end of the last email, you're going to add an automation. And when that email is sent, you're going to subscribe them to another email sequence, right? Which is going to be that didn't buy X program survey, and you're going to add a condition right here, which is the filter, and said anybody who does not own the product that you're trying to sell, for instance, whatever, I got a mini course here, and then you apply that, right? Apply that and save it, and there you go. When this is sent, subscribe this person who doesn't have the product to this didn't buy program survey, and you are done. It will eliminate all the people who did buy and only send the people who did not buy. And you can also reverse that whichever way you want to. People who did buy, and you send them to a thank you or a special gift or whatever it is, and send the other people who did not buy, or not, and not send the people who did not buy. Right? I hope I made sense with that circular statement. There you go. Talk to you soon.